Welcome back to the channel, guys. In today's episode, we're working on our latest and newest R34 Nissan Skyline. So this is a 25 GT model. It's an automatic, naturally aspirated RB25. We imported it from Canada. This is basically a GTR style body kit to fit a slim GTT body car. Today we're gonna wrap the car. We have Eddie, my buddy here, that's gonna help me wrapping this car. And when I say help me, pretty much he's gonna do everything, and I'm just gonna look at him and see what he does and act like I'm doing something. The goal here is to take this car from this beautiful white and make it Bayside blue. Stick with us and see how it's gonna look like. Off the wing, and the OEM wing had some sort of like an OEM double-sided tape with the actual OEM screws. So we're trying to take it out and smooth it out for the wrap. So we cleaned up the trunk so we can wrap under the wing. We clay barred it a little bit. I basically clay barred the whole car. Now I'm gonna take apart the tail lights so we can wrap them separately as well.
Right now I'm going under the fender, which is where a lot of dirt accumulates over the years, and also behind like these rubber things and under the fender. We got to make sure we hit those spots better than we hit the surface, so that way the wrap doesn't peel up from the edges.
For day one. Today's Friday. We started pretty much at like 4:30.
Yeah, around 4:30.
Around 4:30, and already finished the fenders, the hood, the trunk.
Tomorrow we're gonna knock out the door jambs, sides, the rooftop. All right, we got the handles off, door panels. We did our first pass.
Amazing.
Alcohol and rag. We just need to do one more pass with the clean rag and start wrapping.
Damn, the whole car is disassembled.
Yeah.
But at least it gives us such a good opportunity to clean everything and maybe paint some trims and make it nicer. So it's kind of fun that we're able to
take it apart
to make it better as we go.
Yeah, exactly.
During the wrap process.
Definitely.
So awesome. Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem.
opportunity here to replace the speakers because the door panels are off. And these speakers are 25 years old, but they look like they're 100 years old. I went out and get some new speakers.
Oh yeah, looks really good.
Looks better, right?
Yeah, way better.
Because they were like all yellowish and like sunburned and all that.
Beautiful. That's it.
So these are the
Yeah, that's it.
RE30s that was used on the movie car.
Nice.
Yeah, super light. Yeah. Oof.
Right?
Yeah.
It's cool. So
Let
the
me get
movie
the
car,
other
the
one.
movie car they used the 19s. This is an 18 by 8.5. With the movie cars, there's so many misinformation right there out there. So for fast forward, they used one GTR as a hero car, and then the rest of the cars were GTTs. One of them was a VW buggy on a GT chassis or something like that. So some of the people saying that the hero car was the only wide body car and all the other GTTs were the narrow body. So I don't even know what's true. For me, because it's the narrow body, I decided to go with the 18s. I know whoever's doing the wide body gonna use the 19s. It would have like a different spec to it. Now I'm gonna put on the tail lights. I'm gonna put them back. Looks nice and clean. While Eddie's doing the front bumper. How easy is that to take a R34 25 GT or a GTT? We put in the bumpers, we put in the side skirts, took the mirrors and the wing to a friend of Eddie and he painted it overnight. So that came up super cool.
Yeah.
You know, the main stuff that's super hard to wrap.
Yeah.
I know this car, right? I have more seat time in this than any other Skyline owner. You know, I drove it from Canada all the way to LA, 2 days straight with my buddy Dima, and the car was like, it was dull, you know, it was boring. But now seeing it like that, I'm like, okay,
Back to Canada.
I'm excited. Thank you so much. Thank you for everything. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of transforming this 25 GT from like a boring look to like a GTR-ish look, just to make it look more nice and presentable. Stay tuned. We're gonna get more content for you guys. Thank you.